So when you're choosing an engineering college, what's that one thing, that clear, government-backed signal of quality your family can really trust? When you're making such a big decision, that question is absolutely crucial. Today, we're going to take a close look at Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology in Chennai. Their TNEA code is 1218. All right, let's get right into it. Well, for a lot of families, the answer is that national NAAC accreditation. Think of it as a really thorough, independent checkup on the college's quality. And for this college, they've got a grade A. Simple as that. And it's not just a letter grade they've been given. The college actually earned this with a pretty solid score, a 3.13 CGPA on a 4-point scale. So what this tells us right from the start is that we have a strong, verified signal of quality to begin our deep dive with. Okay, so with that strong start, let's peel back the layers a bit. What's the story behind this institution? What's its character? All right, so the college was established way back in 1996. It's managed by the Sri Muthukumaran Educational Trust, and it's a private, self-financing institution. Importantly, it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. And one more key detail, it holds a Telugu linguistic minority status. So why was the college started in the first place? Well, the trust that founded it had a very clear mission. They wanted to provide top-notch technical education to communities that were, educationally and socially disadvantaged. This core idea has really been at the heart of the institution for decades. Next up, let's talk about the official stamps of approval. These are the absolute must-haves, the non-negotiables you need to check for 2026 admissions. So as we already mentioned, the big headline here is that grade A from NAAC, that's the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. But here's the really great part. This accreditation is valid all the way until December 2029. Think about it. If you're joining in 2026, that A grade is locked in for your entire 4 years of study. That's some serious peace of mind. And to top it all off, the college has the green light from the AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education. This officially confirms it's all set for admissions through TNA for the upcoming 2026 batch. Okay, so the quality checks are solid. Now for the exciting part. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the engineering programs they offer. So, you've got 11 different undergraduate engineering branches to choose from. It's a nice mix, really. You've got the classic foundational disciplines and some very specialized fields, too. As you can see, computer science is the biggest one with 120 seats, and then most of the other branches have an intake of either 60 or 30 seats. So when you add all that up across those 11 branches, you get a total of 630 undergraduate seats available through the TNEA counseling process. Now, what's really interesting is how the college is keeping up with what the industry wants. They're offering a bunch of these new age branches, things like AI and data science, robotics and automation, and biomedical engineering. These are all fields that are absolutely booming right now. All right, academics are one thing, but what about the day-to-day stuff? The practical things that are super important for both students and parents. Let's talk about the campus logistics. First up, for students who might be moving to Chennai, yes, the college has separate hostels right there on campus for both boys and girls. And when it comes to food, the hostel mess has got you covered. They offer both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. What if you're a day scholar? Well, the institution has its own college transport facility, which is great for getting to and from different parts of the city. And if you're using public transport, the closest major railway hubs are Tambaram and Guindy, which makes connecting to the rest of the city pretty straightforward. Okay, now we're getting to two of the most critical questions every family asks. What happens after graduation, and what kind of financial support is available? Let's talk placements and aid. The college has put forward a placement rate of 75%. Now, it's really important to know that this figure is self-reported by the college directly to TNAA. What it means is that's the percentage of eligible students who were placed. For any family, a number like this is a key piece of the puzzle, right? It's always a good idea to see how this compares to other colleges you're considering, just to get the full picture. Now, on the financial side of things, there's good news. Eligible students can apply for a whole range of government scholarships. You've got the big state-level ones like the First Graduate Scholarship and support for SC/ST and BC/MBC communities. But there are also central government schemes for minority and OBC students. It's definitely worth your time to check out which of these you might be eligible for. Just a quick note, All the information we've shared in this explainer is based on what's available on the college's official website and trusted government portals as of the time we put this together. So, to sum it all up, what we have here with Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology is an institution with a long history and, crucially, that high-quality NAAC A grade that's valid right through 2029. To continue your research and compare more options, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.